In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Impulse app. So if you're experiencing challenges or a lot of notifications or alerts from this app, the best thing to do is to go ahead and turn them off. To do this, it's quite simple. Just go to the app info page and we should be able to do that. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to go to the app info page of this app, just go to settings, and from settings scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now under apps, look for manage apps or all apps, and this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From the list, scroll down until you find your app. Alternatively, you can search your app through this search bar. Once you have found your app, go ahead and tap on it, and now you should be on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go to your app, and once you find it, long press on it, and here you should be able to see app info. If you tap on this again, you'll be taken to the same app info page. At this point, scroll down to the permissions section and go to notifications. As you can see, all these notifications are turned on, and that's why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. To turn them off or to stop them, go ahead and toggle off show notifications, and from now henceforth you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications unless you turn these on again. So that's how you do it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.